Okay, so I originally intended to do a plow point, but with the wind and the placement of the ground and the trees and whatnot, I had to improvise. So what I did is I tied this here. I basically just looped it through, brought it up to the tree, as you can't see. So I looped it up to the tree and just tied it on roughly so that the tarp would be up and off basically my foot area. So we'll go around the other. So here she is. Now if the wind kicks up again, it could throw everything off, but I guess we'll just go from there. Guess I'll get my ground sheet and sleeping pad out. So this is just a Cloudburst Tarp. It's going to act as my ground sheet. I think how I want to lay. My self-inflating pad. So here's the bag. I've got it stuffed down into a Sea to Summit compression dry bag. Okay. There's the bag. Put it in. And of course, no sleep out is complete without your pillow. Well, there she is. Shelter for the night. Even if it rained, which is not in the forecast, but I should be pretty dry under there. The wind has been a problem, but I don't know what I'm supposed to do about that. That's lack of experience kicking in there. So, okay, so it's morning. Greetings, one and all. The shelter worked really well. We had some rain that we weren't expecting. The weather report said AM rain, but it rained actually a couple of times on us. But the shelter worked great. We had no problems with the shelter. The wind was kind of a problem at first, but once the wind died down, it was good to go. What was not good to go, though, was the Wiggy's bag, which I guess you can't see. So the bag placement, I felt okay with where I was laying, and I had plenty of cover above, but the bag didn't work for me. It was, even though I bought a long, so I was probably cold from here up. My face was cold, my head was cold, my neck was cold. I wasn't able to roll over, which really bugged me because if I can't roll over, I can't sleep. So I didn't get jack for sleep last night. So I'm probably going to end up returning the bag just because of that reason. It's like, if I can't roll over, it's pointless to have it. So it's probably going to get I'm probably going to get a refund. Unfortunately, there's a 25% restocking fee, but what are you going to do? I was really looking forward to sleeping in it, but man, it didn't come up enough. Even though I bought it in a long, it didn't come up over my head like I wanted it to. Unlike my Mormont bag, which I'm going to switch to and use it instead. So, damn. What are you going to do? So I came out and tried it, and it didn't work for me, so a little disappointed. Okay, so I'm at the park. It's been about 3 days since my camping trip. And I wanted to touch on this Wiggy's bag a little bit more and kind of go over a little bit more detail about it and what my problem was. Now I want to say that I don't dislike the bag at all. I actually do like it. It's just that I couldn't roll over in it, so I couldn't sleep. And as I've said in other videos, if I can't roll over, I can't fall asleep. I don't know why it is. It's just, it's a little quirk about me. Not that the bag is bad. And I'm not trash talking Wiggy's. In fact, I do really like the bag. It's just, if I can't sleep in it, what good is it then? So I brought it out to the park today because I'm gonna lay in it and show you what I was going through, so you can see a little bit more clear. Not to mention I didn't shoot that part of it in the video, so let's get to that. See, the bag left my head exposed. So it was my head and my neck that was getting cold while I was laying in it. So I'm laying there like this, and it doesn't go up all the way. Maybe it's because and my feet, you know, are all the way at the end. You know, my feet were warm, and my legs were warm, but my head, because it's exposed like this, you know, was cold. So this is what I was going for. If it just came up, I probably would have been fine, but. And then there's the matter of being able to roll over. It's not easy. At least for me. It's like it's too tight through the middle. No. So there you go. If it wasn't for that, it would have been great. So